Gabe. All right, are you ready to start some math? Wish we were in classroom doing this, but this is how we're going to have to do it. What we're going to work on is subtraction, but the way we're going to do it today is not going to look like subtraction. It's going to look like addition. But we're going to be adding three numbers, three numbers mostly. Three sets, something like that. I don't know. We're going to start off with like this. If I were to just give you three random numbers less than 30, which would be 28, 16, and 21. Would you be able to add those in your head right away, or would need to take some time? Probably, right? 28 plus 16. So we could add these two numbers first, or add these two numbers first. 28 plus 12. So it gets kind of a little hairy there. So let's think of some ways to break it down into tens and ones. Remember these? Tens, and then I don't have my ones with me, so I need to use these as my ones. 20, two tens, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 is 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 21 is two tens and a 1. Now let's group them together. How many tens do I have? And how many ones do I have? Tens, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. How many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 6. What's 8 plus 6? We can make a 10, which means we take 2 from 6 to make 10. Then we have 4 left over. So it's 14 plus 1 more is 15. I have 15 ones. Do you know what the number for 5 tens and 15 ones is? Well, we'd have to break down 15, decompose, which means we're left with 5 ones. Take the 10 over. We now have 6 tens and 5 ones, which makes our answer 65. Now we're going to use that same concept with adding our blocks together, okay? So, for instance, we have 3 different sets. Let's say we have what's this number? Let's say we just have a series of these like this. Let's count our tens first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens, and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 ones. What's our number if we have 7 tens and 12 ones? Well, we've got too many ones. We have to turn this 12 ones into a 10 and 2 ones. We've got to decompose. We've got to take it down. So let's move a 10 over, which makes us have 8 tens, which leaves us with just how many ones? Just 2. The answer is 82. That's how you do those. Pretty simple. I think you can figure them out. Now, what if we had to have a number such as... Now, this is... You're going to do a couple of them like we just did. Now, this is another way you're going to look at your work today. They're going to give you a number, and they're going to tell you to split it into 2 ways, okay? And you're going to say, well, that's easy. 2 tens on this side and 2 tens on this side. Big deal, right? No, they actually tell you that one of the sides has to be 25. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That side is 25. So what do you have left over here? This is where your subtraction comes over, or you're counting on. You can look at however you want. So if this side's 25, which is what they told me one side had to be, what will I put over here on tens and ones to equal 40? Well, let's go ahead and make a 10, because 5 plus 5 is a 10. So now I'm up to 25, 30, 40. So actually, this is 25 and this is 15. 25 plus 15 equals 40. See how that works? Okay, now you'll be very happy about this, Gabe, for your work. You only have to do the 2 pages every day. You will not have to do the 3 pages. So I will be putting that on Google Classroom, which pages you will have to do. And anytime, I would keep working on that. Do it later. I didn't forget. See you tomorrow.